Hey everybody, it's Lisa. I just wanted to install my Ring device today. I want to show you how to do it. First thing we are doing is following the directions. I read the directions, I opened the box. It says charge it, so I'm going to charge it. That's the first thing. While that's doing its thing, I'm going to download the app on my phone. But it told me to come over and mark. So it says to mark it at about 4 feet. So here's my 4 feet mark. And I was looking for the right space to put it. You know, I want it where I can see. Clearly I have a security door and my old doorbell's over here on the side. So I want to put my Ring about 4 feet up and where somebody could see it. So, I mean, I can see people and they can see that they're going to be on camera. So I went ahead and marked it with pencil. If I don't like it, I can erase. It came with a little tiny level. I don't know if you can see this, but this level is so small. But it attaches to the battery pack so I can make sure that I level this off when I drill it. I got my drill handy and it came with these teeny tiny little screws, these little anchors. So I'm going to go ahead and get my markings and then I'm going to drill it and you can see it in a second. So I went ahead, you see how I got that little miniature level on here. I've got screw hole template here. So I'm going to put it where I had marked my height and make sure that I'm level. See how I've got a nice level bubble in the middle. Then I'm going to go ahead and mark my holes. Oops. Sometimes the pencil lead breaks on you. You just got to roll with it, people. You just have to say, do it again. Here we go. And then I've got my little template ready, so you can see. So always, before you play with equipment, you need to put on your safety glasses. And I'm going to go ahead and pre-drill my little hole so it's easier to screw these in. Watch me. It's maybe going to be a little hard to get that one, so I'm going to... So I pre-drilled my hole so I can get these in, but these are a little tougher than they look. You just have to put a little power in it. But you see, I'm still level. I'll pop that off when I go to put the faceplate back on. And then the last one is getting this little guy in here. So I'm going to try, but the screwdriver that came with it, not so much, folks. Just really crappy. So I have my handy dandy one. This one. Let's see if I can get it installed. And my last tip is this little screwdriver that comes with your Ring, it's garbage. So you have to flip it over and the star tip fits into this little tiny screw. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my cover plate like this. Just kind of pop it on and push it down. That's what it says anyway. And then you put this little tiny screw up here. This is the most problematic thing. This tiny screw goes in here and you just have to kind of line it up, go like so, and then all I have to do is check the app on my phone and start saying, let's do it, people, and we're good to go. And that's it. Here's my Ring doorbell all installed, ready, set. There you go.